Okay, today we got this MHG again. I've done a bit more on it. I've uncovered underneath the plexi the original panel, which is very cool. So we've got 6 buttons now. I just need to find some switches. Cone buttons fit it fine, and these seem to fit it, so I need to populate all that. I've taken out all the useless shit that isn't hooked up. And it's for lefties now as well, of course. So it used to have a plexi, and it was the other way round, 180 degrees. We've got a new loom on, going in there. So I'll just take this off. Hang on, that one first. And this one. So you can see now I've got the new loom. That needs hooking up to the panel. Everything else is in. So I've got new power supply, got stereo speakers. We're going to have to fit an amp in here as well, and the switches will be amp on, amp off, stereo, mono and all that shit. I've got to do the video, but I've decided I'm going to put Hantrax type leads on so I can use them with my monitors, and I'll fit an isolation transformer in here as well. Also for that I might put a 3.3 volt rail or maybe a 12 volt rail. So yeah, it's coming along very nice. Uncovering the panel was a very fucking good thing. How that turned out. Also for there I put a bit of plastic in so it doesn't, if it ever breaks, it won't break anything. And then I just need to find a load of buttons for these holes, which will either these, or these, or a mixture of them all. And I need to find some LEDs big for these holes. So not bad.